This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Genji on console. First, understand his core abilities. Genji's primary attack throws 3 shurikens in a straight line, while his alternate fire spreads them in a wider arc. Use deflect to block incoming damage for 2 seconds, sending projectiles back at enemies. Swift strike allows you to dash through opponents, dealing 50 damage and resetting on eliminations. Mastering these abilities is crucial for effective gameplay. Genji's mobility is key to his playstyle. Utilize his double jump to evade enemy fire and reach unexpected positions. Wall climb lets you scale walls, granting access to high ground for better sight lines and escape routes. Always aim to control the high ground. It offers a significant advantage in skirmishes and allows for safer engagements. Good positioning keeps you alive and effective. Knowing when to engage and disengage is vital for Genji. Initiate fights with swift strike to quickly close distances and apply burst damage. During combat, strategically use deflect to negate high damage abilities or ultimate attacks. If your health drops, don't hesitate to disengage using your wall climb or double jump to find cover or a health pack. Smart retreats save lives and allow you to re-enter the fight. Genji's ultimate, Dragon Blade, is incredibly powerful. Activate it when enemies are grouped or vulnerable, then combine it with Swift Strike for devastating damage and quick eliminations. Remember to track enemy abilities like stun or sleep to maximize your ultimate's effectiveness. Practice your aim with shurikens, as consistent damage builds ultimate charge faster. Also, check the description for a link to some great car air fresheners and other deals. Mastering these elements will elevate your Genji gameplay significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.